The pre-built invoice model breaks the moment vendors use odd layouts. The fix is a custom neural model trained on 5 labeled samples. This is for engineers extracting structured data from messy PDF invoices. Azure Document Intelligence reaches over 95% field accuracy with clean labels. We cover 3 things today: labeling and training, the Python extraction call, and validation. One gotcha hides inside validation. It will silently corrupt your data. Stay for that. Here is the end-to-end flow. Invoices land in blob storage as the training source. Document Intelligence Studio labels them and trains the custom model. Your Python service then calls the analyze endpoint at runtime. Extracted fields flow into Cosmos DB after validation passes. Keep your endpoint key in Key Vault, never in code. That keeps the pipeline auditable and rotatable. Each box does one job. Now let's build it step by step. Start by uploading at least 5 representative invoices to a blob container. In Document Intelligence Studio, draw fields and assign each a name and type. Mark vendor, invoice number, dates, line items, and totals. Label tables as dynamic so variable row counts work. Then trigger training and wait roughly 2 to 10 minutes. The output is a model IDU reference in code. Label more variety, not more volume. 5 diverse layouts beat 50 identical ones. You pick a build mode at training time, and it matters. Template models train in seconds and demand consistent fixed layouts. Neural models handle structural variation but cost more compute and time. For invoices from many vendors, choose neural every time. The accuracy gain on varied layouts is worth the wait. Use template only when every document is pixel identical. When in doubt, start neural. Reserve template for high volume, single source forms like your own outbound invoices. Now the runtime call. Install the Azure AI Document Intelligence package and authenticate. Pass your model ID and the invoice bytes to begin analyze. Poll the result. Then walk the documents and fields collection. Each field carries a value and a confidence score. Rate both, because the confidence drives your validation next. Use a managed identity in production instead of a raw key. This snippet is the entire extraction core. Extraction is only half the job. Validation makes the output trustworthy. First, reject any field below your confidence threshold for human review. Second, enforce business rules the model cannot know. Check that line item total sum to the invoice total. Verify dates parse and the invoice number matches your format. Confirm the currency and tax math are internally consistent. Route failures to a review queue, not straight to your database. Never trust a single number blindly. Here is the gotcha I promised. A high confidence score does not mean the value is correct. The model can confidently misread a smudged digit or wrong column. Confidence measures legibility, not business correctness. So never use confidence as your only gate. Pair it with deterministic rules like total reconciliation. A 0.98 confidence on a wrong amount still fails your sum check. That cross-check is what catches silent data corruption. Treat the model as a suggestion, your rules as truth. Recap the whole pipeline. Label 5 diverse invoices and train a neural custom model. Call analyze in Python with your model ID and read confidence. Gate on confidence. Then enforce business rules like total reconciliation. Store clean records. Route the rest to human review. Prices and SDK versions shift, so check the current Azure docs. Now go train your first custom model today. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.